that well. But yeah. Woo. We are riding to see Oscar. Oh, it's a bit bouncy. Oscar! Where's the stoppy at? Where's the stoppy at? No, you're back. Alright, let's just run. Here. Oh yes. No, he honked at me. Full nutty bruh. Full nutty bruh. Oh, this is my friend coming up behind us. It's my friend. He's messing with us. I'm learning to get on my pegs. It's so hard. Daniel. Oh yes, 12 o'clock. 12-y. Ah, it's raining. It's raining. It's Adelaide. It's winter. Someone kill me. Back to Woolies. Yep.
Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan where my accountant lives. In fact, I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Westie world with my base stuff. Ooh, that pussy good. Won't you sit it on my taste buds? I get
So slippery. Oh shit! I nearly came off. Oh.
Haven't you ever done a 180?
Yeah, I have. And I went into someone's car. Bring it in. Don't let it get in. Oh, dude. This is my Public Enemy's all wet. Look at it. All wet.
Or your light?
What about it? Yeah. We should just ride underneath. Then no one tells us